If you're looking for profitable products to flip on Amazon at stores that other people don't shop at or mention on social media, you're going to want to check this out because I am mentioning those stores and I'm going to tell you why you should be looking at them on Black Friday, where everyone else is at Target and Walmart and all these other things. You are going to want to check out these sites because they have great deals and they also sell toys and Lego, and no one ever says that you could get them there. And we're going to show you how to use SellerAmp to find all these profitable products. Without further ado, let's head to the computer. All right, let's get these started. I have the 5 stores right over here. We're going to go one by one. The 5th one is going to be my favorite. All these are good, but let's just get started. If you need help sourcing for Black Friday, check out the Quick Start Guide. It is absolutely free. This is one of my favorite videos, but it shows you exactly how I use SellerAmp, other websites that are super profitable, products, how to source, has everything in here for you. So let's get into it. All right, so site number 1 is going to be Michael's Arts and Crafts. So this is a great store here. One of the keys here, they will definitely have good Black Friday specials, is you're going to want to get discounted gift cards. Michael's, I've seen anywhere from 8 to about 15% that you could get off, and that is really how you have to play this. Most of the time here, you'll see up here it says for November they have 20% off. So most of the time they have a 20% off site-wide. Sometimes they will even go up to 25%. So if you're stacking 25% plus an additional 10 to 15% off, that's how you're going to make a lot of this stuff profitable. A lot of the good categories that I've had success with in the past is the paint category. Lots of different paints, arts and crafts, things like that. They have decent clearance as well. And everything just works really, really well with SellerAmp. That's another reason why I like a lot of these sites. You could literally just right click, or you could just highlight this stuff and bring up the SellerAmp right over there. With Michael's, you do have to be careful because Michael's also now has third-party sellers on here. So you're going to want to make sure Michael's is the shipper. You can see here they have the brand, and retailers, I have Michael's set. So all this stuff is Michael's. This is their marketplace. So you want to do Michael's. Michael's does ship pretty quickly. You're not going to have any issues with ordering in bulk. I had one issue with them in the past. All you had to do is call them, and they were just like, okay, just checking. So I really like Michael's. You're going to have to utilize discounted gift cards and when they have stuff on sale. Also, note with this coupon over here will not work if individual items are on sale themselves. So, for example, with the paints and stuff like that, sometimes they'll have buy one, get one free. That is the special. You cannot combine it with this. So that is site number 1. Site number 2 is going to be Eagle Eye Outfitters. A lot of people, I really, really like this site. They will run some really good sales, especially on items that are pretty popular. Right now they have 20% on select bog bags, which is great. So if we just kind of click this open, we hit shop bog bags, we can just kind of see this here. We can see what they have on sale. They do ship quickly. Didn't really have any issues in terms of order cancellations or anything like that. Again, we could just kind of open SellerAmp, right click, and we have the original bog bag here. Obviously, we're going to have to sort which ones we want to see, but bog could be decent. I sold a lot of these in Q4 in the past, which has been nice. Returns are pretty low on this stuff, but they will also have a lot of clearance as well, which is great. No discounted gift cards on this that I know of, but super easy to use. You'll see here they have a sales and coupon section. You can kind of go through that, see what they have on sale. You'll see here they have code November, the real deal event. So you can kind of really go along here. This is another good site, and a site that I don't really see people talk about. Next one is going to be Shields. I think that's how you say it. Another really great site. For this one, you're just going to have to catch stuff on clearance, or you're going to have to catch things that are just arbitrageable. I've definitely sold a lot of outdoor items from here that are on sale, or they had some good golf ball sales a little while ago. So they have a really easy way to sort. You could do sale items. A big thing about this is they also sell Lego. So this was one sleeper site that a lot of other people will be out of stock on certain Lego sets, and they would have it in stock. They do ship pretty quickly as well. You see, they will discount them at times, but when I was buying, just because it was out of stock everywhere else, they had them. And again, they ship really quickly. So this is a nice little sleeper site for Legos, especially during Q4, where this is at the height and people are going to be wanting this stuff. Next up is going to be Sam's Club. So what I like about Sam's Club is you will have to pay a membership fee to join Sam's Club. I think it's like $50 or whatever it is. But they will have some good toys. They have decent clothing. So they do have name brand clothing as well. This is another site that also will sell Lego as well. Which is great. You'll see they have members only pricing as well. So that's kind of like a little built-in edge for you as well. I know a lot of friends who really crush retail arbitrage with Sam's Club. There are Sam's Clubs all over the place. And you might say, oh, well, you need a membership fee and all this other stuff. That's just another mode. Being able to do, shop where other people can. A lot of people aren't willing to pay $50 to be a member of Sam's Club, but if you are willing to, you can get access to member-only pricing on Sam's stuff. You can go in store. They just have a ton of great stuff. They have some good outdoor stuff. They have good cooking stuff, kitchen items that usually are at a pretty cheap price, and you can arbitrage them on Amazon. So that's kind of why I like this site a lot. Again, super easy to use with SellerAmp as well, which I particularly really like. Love the fact that on a page with all this stuff, I can literally just right click and it's going to pop up just like that. Now, one of the best stores that has a ton of sales, will be doing a ton of good sales during Black Friday, and you could even utilize gift cards with, is going to be Macy's. Now, Macy's has a ton of stuff. What you'll run into with Macy's is limits. So sometimes they're only going to let you check out, call it 8 to 10 items, sometimes just 5. Super annoying, but they'll let you place back-to-back orders and not give you too much of a hard time. This is great for, I've had a lot of luck with Nike boxers on this site, a lot of luck with socks from other big retailers. They also have toys as well. So another site that has Lego, which is great. A lot of people, when you think Lego, you're going to think Target, you're going to think Walmart, maybe Best Buy, Kohl's, but not a lot of people are thinking Lego at Macy's. And they ship really quickly as well, which is great. I know when I order in the past, it has come to me within 2 days, which is great, especially if you're going to be merchant fulfilling things. They have a really easy return policy, and you could utilize gift cards as well, which is great. Which I really like a lot. So those are going to be the 5 sites. We got Michael's, we got Eagle Eye, we got Shields, we got Sam's Club, and we have Macy's. Hit up these stores, be shopping them now, so when their Black Friday sales come up, you will be ready. If you want to learn how to set up that spreadsheet, it is in the quick start guide. Run through everything. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next video.